y'all, it's Tuesday. I'm about to do some calculus homework, so I kind of wanted to rant about how great calculus is, with beautiful shots of my calculus notebook. Yeah, so last year I was super excited about starting calculus, and we had done a chapter of calculus at the end of trigonometry, which was cool, because it got me hyped. But calculus is, like, still super hype. It's so amazing. So many question marks you'll notice, but it's still amazing. Like, you can do so much with it. So there's derivatives and there's integrals, right? So we've done some derivatives, some integrals. And derivatives, you can find the slope of a curve at any point on that curve, which is, like, crazy, right? Like, how do you even figure that out? Like, whose idea was that? Well, it was Newton, I guess, and some other guy. But, like, how, Newton? How did you do that? That's, like, crazy. And then integrals are almost crazier because it's, like, the opposite. Like, you can... Okay, so the thing about integrals, it's not crazy how to find an integral, because if you know how to find a derivative, you can figure out how to find an integral on your own. That's what our teacher did. He's like, you're on your own, suckers. I'm kidding. But, like, the thing about integrals is that it's the area under the curve, which makes, like, zero sense to me. I'm like, why would that be a thing? Oh, there's integrals. How beautiful. Right on time. But, like, yeah, if I take the integral of this curve from here to here, like 0 to 2, it'll give me the area under that curve. And if I do it for this one, 0 to 2, it'll give negative because it's under the x-axis. And if I do 2 to 0, then this will be positive. And if I do 2 to 0 on this one, this will be negative. But it's the area. It's the area. Like, that doesn't make sense. Why would that even happen? It's so cool. It is so cool. But, like, why would that happen? I have no idea. And now we are coming almost to the end of my notebook. Notice that 4.4 and 4.5 come before 4.2 and 4.3 because my teacher decided to teach those ones out of order for some reason. But yeah. This is the end. This is a multiple choice worksheet to prep for AP that I have to do. It's very exciting. But, like, I brought out this worksheet that I had to do before because it is, like, so cool, because calculus, not only is it, like, really cool that you can find the slope of a curve at any point and the area under a curve, but also you can do, like, real world crap with this. So this is when we didn't know integrals yet, right? And you can, like, figure out the maximum area that you can enclose with a given amount of fencing, which is amazing. You can find, like, any of these things. What? There was a more exciting one. Oh yeah, you can do, like, the border of your paper to figure out the dimensions of that. Like, the least amount of paper to use, the most amount. Oh, this one's cool. It's a boat, and they want to... so you can go a certain speed on the boat and a certain speed that's faster on the land. So, like, which route should you take to go the fastest? So that's the best one of these, I think. It's the most interesting. Like, yeah, you can do that. Like, that's crazy to me. Like, how does this work? Like, I don't know. It just does, and it's amazing. And there was also another worksheet that I thought was really cool. It was related rates, which is, like, if you have, like, some amount of air blowing out of a balloon at a certain rate, then you can find how fast the volume of the balloon... Or wait, no. That's how fast the volume of the balloon is decreasing. You can find out how fast the surface area is decreasing. Or the radius. Or either of them, really. It's so cool. You can, like, one thing is decreasing at a certain rate, and then a different thing that seems totally unrelated, you can figure out how that one decreases or increases as well. And that's crazy. Like, oh, here's somebody walking towards a lamppost with a or, like, towards a wall, and there's a light behind them that's making a shadow onto the wall. How fast does the height of the wall, of the shadow on the wall change while they're walking towards the wall? It is crazy, and I feel like that could be useful somewhere. These are definitely useful. That's probably useful. This is all of this crazy. Oh, I think this is, yeah, this is the problem I was just talking about with the dude and the light and the wall. Yeah, it's super fun. It's so hype. Calculus is the best class I'm taking. Arguably better than Latin. Yeah. Anyway, that's all for me. Lacey, I will see you tomorrow.